Hey folks, how's it going? It's a beautiful day to be driving. Sun is shining, wind is blowing at about 30 kilometers an hour. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun run all the way back down to Yellowknife today. Should take about 9 hours. So it's about 10 o'clock now. I'll probably be in Yellowknife for probably 7. It's been a good time up here. Having a good time. Unfortunately, had a few incidences. Lost my bumper in a snowbank, front bumper, but all's good. I had a little trouble with this trip at the beginning. My passenger side steer tire was flat when I got to one of the rest areas. So I had to wait for somebody to come and fix that. Then an air leak was giving me a little trouble while I was heading up here, but seemed to have fixed itself. I think it was just a frozen air valve, so probably warmed up enough that it closed by itself. So other than that, everything's going good. Having a good time. Got about 20 more days up here, and I'll probably be heading home.
For one.
But yeah, I'll keep everybody in the know. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.